Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2019 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number X986XX. 22,000 miles on this Equinox Club source with a clean auto check history report, iridescent pearl in color. You receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with blind spot monitoring, cross tap detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power lift gate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Back seats can be folded from the rear as well, giving a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tires tread by. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.